Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create a Snapchat account. So for this, open the Snapchat account and click on Sign Up. Now here you need to enter your first name and last name. So here for an example, I add Snapchatter account. The next step is you need to add your birthday. So first of all, select the year, then select the date and select the month. Then click on Continue. Now here the username is suggested by Snapchat. You can edit it if you want and then click on continue. Now here you need to set a password. Okay, so let me set a password first and click on continue. Now the last step is you need to verify your phone number and then click on finish. As you click on finish, OTP will send to that number. Enter that OTP here and now you will be directed to Snapchat. So from here you need to add your 5 friends minimum or you can skip it for now. So I will skip it. Okay, again click on skip on the top right corner and now your Snapchat account is created. This is how you can create account on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.